Extreme weather can wreak havoc on your vehicle's performance, but don't worry, we've got some surprising maintenance tips coming up. Today we're diving into how weather impacts car maintenance and why it's crucial for every car owner to understand these effects. Let's kick things off by highlighting the specific weather conditions that can affect your car, like heat, cold, rain, and snow. Hot weather can cause tire pressure to increase, leading to blowouts, while cold weather can drain your battery, leaving you stranded. Rain can reduce visibility and cause hydroplaning, and snow can make roads slippery and dangerous. Neglecting weather-related maintenance can lead to breakdowns and costly repairs, so it's essential to stay proactive. Check your tire pressure regularly, especially during temperature changes. Ensure your battery is in good condition before winter. Use windshield wipers and defrosters to maintain visibility in rain and snow. Consider using snow tires or chains for better traction in snowy conditions. So remember, weather affects your car maintenance, and staying ahead of these challenges can save you money and keep you safe on the road. Share your own experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more car maintenance tips and tricks.